How to change ringtone on iPhone to a song from Spotify. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change a ringtone on an iPhone to a song from Spotify. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Now, search for the song you want to set as a ringtone. Next, select the song and tap the three dots on the top right side. Scroll down the menu and you will see the Set as Ringtone option. If not, then go to the Settings app on your phone. Now, search and select the Ringtone option. In the Sound and Haptics section, go to Ringtone. Next, select the song you want to set as a ringtone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.